Hello everyone. It's been a week, so it's time for an update. It has been a tremendous week for Agent Zero, and I want to thank you all for your incredible support and interest in this project. Even this small channel with just a single video now has around 1,000 subscribers, and I've received dozens of comments and contributions on GitHub that help me push Agent Zero forward. And I've also seen some incredible use cases on Discord that I had no idea were possible with the current version. Like deciduus here, who was able to convince his agent to install and configure Stable Diffusion and use his GPU to generate actual images. And he also made a short video about it. I will link in the description. We already have hundreds of smart people on the Discord server, so if you get stuck and need help, you want to share your creation or contribute to the framework, make sure to join the Discord channel. And now for the updates. I didn't have time to go through all the pull requests and issues on GitHub and definitely not all the messages on Discord, but I tried to merge or implement the most requested features. And thanks again to all the contributors that made this possible. Number one, the list of available model providers has been extended and the models library has been simplified, as well as these examples in the main.py file. Right now, you can choose your models from OpenAI, OpenRouter, OpenAI on Azure, Anthropic, Google, Grok, as well as locally Ollama or LM Studio. The same goes for utility models, and for embedding models, you can choose from OpenAI and locally Ollama and Hugging Face. Number two, the framework now catches some of the most common errors and writes meaningful hints to them. So, for example, when you forget to start your Docker desktop application and the connection to Docker fails, you get a human readable hint along with the original message. Number three, a bug has been fixed in the Perplexity search tool. So now if you don't provide your API key for Perplexity in the .env file, it will just skip the Perplexity search. Number four, the agent is now aware of his name in the system prompt, so he knows his number. And this is something you can use, for example, in the delegation section. You can instruct your agent not to delegate his task any further if he crosses a certain threshold. Please keep in mind that this is still just my prompt and it's not really good. You might want to write your own prompt for your agent. Number five, the JSON parser has been improved, so now it can find the JSON even if it's surrounded by other text, like in this example. And thanks to Cheese Chat from the Discord, who wrote a detailed installation guide, especially for Windows users. I will be putting this file as the Win installation guide to the docs folder of the project. I will now push all the changes into the development and testing branches of the project, and after a while of testing, I will merge them into the main branch. So if you want to try the latest version right now, go ahead and clone the testing branch of the repository. I would like to thank again to all the contributors to this project. And if you want to help even more, for the next major version, I would like to improve the memory tool, maybe using this Mem0 project I found on GitHub, which seems very promising. So if you want to give it a try and implement it into the Agent Zero framework on your own, please let me know how it went. If you find this project interesting and you want to see more, there is a video we made with David Ondrej that is over 1 hour long and goes into much more detail. So make sure to check this one as well. I will link the video in the description. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for your time. And once again, I would like to thank you for all of your support. See you next time.